Be about it. Yeah, they were sitting out there, what, 3 years? Yeah. Of course, makes the bark come off a lot easier, doesn't it? If you don't have real machinery.
Yeah. Waste a few inches, though. Waste a few inches.
Yeah. That's kind of strange. What the hell happened there? I have no idea.
Once this mold gets off and dries out, it's a different story.
Yeah, that one's coming off a lot easier than the last one, too. Of course, that was back there where it was a little wetter, too, huh? Yeah, we just pulled those out.
Huh?
We just pulled them out. That's why they're just all wet. They were back there in the woods.
Right.
Yeah.
Soaking wet.
Yeah. And this is the small end too, so you know the bark wasn't as thick, I guess.
And then it had the top on there yet too, and I cut the top all off.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'd hauled that a long time ago.
Oh.
Just these big logs were big.
Yeah, well, this is the small end.
Yeah.
The others were bigger. Of course, is this, what does this say, a 10-foot trailer?
8.
8? No, it's bigger than 8, isn't it? Huh? That's more than 8. Yeah. What do you think that is, 15 foot there, that one there? Probably both of them are, I guess, huh?
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know, you know, I used to be a photographer, and then I quit taking photographs because I was looking at yeah, okay, thanks, Charlie. You hit me with that damn axe.
See, there's
But,
a couple inches of that.
Yeah, oh yeah, well, this one, you can see that, yeah. Yeah.
Right, the other stuff will dry out now. Bark like a fucking sponge.
Oh yeah.
Got a bacteria and yeast.
Oh yeah. Well, this one's actually the worst of all what do we have there? 6 of them. Yeah. So these were about 35 feet worth of lumber there, huh? No more than that. 35 each. 35 each.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So about 70 feet.
Thick log.
Yeah. Well, we cut them twice. Okay. Let's roll that thing off, huh? Yeah. The thing is, let's roll it off. But quite frankly, I'm just gonna. Get on. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oop.
Go, go, go!
Anyway, that was that. I guess I can finish now.